Let me ask you something, my friend. Have you ever stood in front of a mirror, opened your mouth to speak English, and felt like nothing comes out? You know the words, you see them in your head, but your tongue freezes, your heart starts beating fast, and you think, why is this happening to me? Or maybe you've been studying English for years, years. You can read English, you can understand movies, but when you try to speak, you sound like a baby learning to talk. I see you, I feel you, and today I have a confession to make. That was me 5 years ago. I was scared. I was frustrated. I had nobody to practice with. And every day I cried because my English was stuck. But today I speak English fluently. I make videos for thousands of learners, and I want to share with you the secret that changed everything. The truth is, you don't need a partner. You don't need a school. You don't need expensive classes. You only need 15 minutes a day and the method I'm about to share. Are you ready to change your English forever? Stay with me. This video will help you more than 6 months of classes. You know what's the saddest part? Most English learners think the problem is the language. They think, English is too hard, my grammar is weak, I don't know enough words. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is you've been doing it wrong. Let me explain. When you study English from a book, your brain stores the words. But when you need to speak, your mouth doesn't know what to do because your mouth has never practiced. It's like learning to swim by reading a book. You can know everything about swimming, but the first time you jump in the water, you'll panic because your body never practiced. Speaking English is the same. Your tongue, your lips, your throat, they all need practice. And here's the magic part. You don't need another person to practice with. You can train your mouth alone, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, in your kitchen, anywhere. And the best part, it takes only 15 minutes a day. But wait, there's a catch. You need to do it right. Most people practice for hours, but in the wrong way. Today, I'll show you the right way, the way that actually works. Are you ready to learn the secret? Let's start. Before we continue, I want to ask you something small but important. If this video is helping you so far, please give it a like. It costs you nothing, but it helps me so much. Your like tells YouTube to show this video to more English learners like you. And please subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon. Every week I bring you simple, easy English lessons just like this. Thank you, my friend. Now let's continue. Okay, my friend, listen carefully. I'm going to share my secret method. I call it the 15-minute miracle method. Why miracle? Because in just 15 minutes a day, your English will transform. And the best part, you only need yourself. The method has 3 simple parts. I want you to remember these 3 numbers: 5, 5, 5. The first 5 minutes are for listening, real focused listening, not just background noise. The second 5 minutes are for speaking. Yes, speaking alone. I'll show you how. The third 5 minutes are for writing or reading, small but powerful. 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes writing. Total, 15 minutes. And here's the magic. These 15 minutes will work better than 2 hours of normal studying. Why? Because we're training your entire brain, your ears, your mouth, your eyes, your hands, all together. Don't worry, I'll explain each part step by step. Are you ready? Let's start with part 1. Part 1, 5 minutes of focused listening. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sarah, I listen to English every day. I watch Netflix. I listen to music. Does that count? My friend, I'll tell you the truth. Watching Netflix while eating dinner, that's not practice, that's entertainment. Real listening practice means you're sitting, you're focused, your phone is far away, and you're really listening to every word. Here's exactly what to do. Choose a short video, 1 minute, 2 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, not longer. Before you press play, ask yourself a question, just one simple question, like, what is this person feeling? Or, what are 3 things they said? Or, what is the main message? Now press play. Listen carefully, find the answer to your question. When the video ends, listen again. Yes, the same video. The second time, you'll hear new words, new sounds, things you missed the first time. Here's a magic trick. Use English subtitles while you listen. Your ears hear the word. Your eyes see the word. Your brain connects them together. Powerful learning. 5 minutes, 1 question, 2 listens. That's all you need. Now, part 2. 5 minutes of speaking alone. I can hear your fear. Sarah, but who will I talk to? I'm alone. That's perfect, my friend. Being alone is your biggest advantage. Let me explain why. When you speak alone, you have no fear, no one is judging you, no one is laughing at your mistakes. You can speak freely. I have 3 magic techniques for you. Try them all and pick your favorite. Technique number 1. Describe your day out loud. While you're making coffee, say in English, I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. I will add milk and sugar. Simple sentences, real life. Technique 2. Talk to your mirror. Stand in front of your bathroom mirror. Look at yourself. Smile and say, hi, my name is, I am from, I love. Practice introducing yourself. Practice making expressions. Your face and voice work together. Technique 3. Repeat and change. Take any sentence, say it, then change one word, say it again, like this. I love coffee. Change to, I love tea. Change to, I drink tea. Change to, she drinks tea. See, you're playing with English. You're building flexibility. Pick one technique, 5 minutes, out loud. Don't whisper. Use your real voice. Your tongue needs to move. Your lips need to work. Your throat needs to vibrate. This is how speaking becomes natural. Now, part 3. 5 minutes of writing or reading. This is my favorite part. Why? Because this is where everything connects. For writing, here's what I want you to do. Take a small notebook, a simple one, or use your phone. Every day, write just 3 to 5 sentences in English. Not a paragraph, not an essay, just 3 to 5 sentences. You can write about your day. Today, I felt happy. I drank coffee in the morning. I called my mom. She was very tired. You can write about your feelings. Today, I feel nervous. I have an exam tomorrow, but I will try my best. You can write about something you saw. I saw a small dog in the park. It was running fast. It looked very happy. Don't worry about mistakes. Just write. Your brain is choosing words, building sentences, thinking in English. This is magic. If you don't want to write, you can read for 5 minutes. Read simple children's books. Read easy English news. Read the subtitles from the video you watched. Reading is feeding your brain. Writing is using what you learned. And here's my secret tip. Every day, choose one new word, just one. Learn it, say it 3 times, write it in a sentence. Use it when you speak. In 1 year, you'll know 365 new words. In 2 years, 730 words. That's enough for fluent conversation. Now I want to tell you the biggest secret, the reason most people fail at learning English. It's not the language, it's not the teacher, it's not the country, it's the lack of habit. You see, learning English is like brushing your teeth. You don't brush once a month for 5 hours. You brush every day for 2 minutes. English is the same. 15 minutes every day is better than 5 hours once a week. But here's the problem. Day 1, you're excited. Day 2, you're motivated. Day 3, okay. Day 4, you skip. Day 5, you forget. Day 6, you feel guilty. Day 7, you give up. This happens to everyone. Don't feel bad, but there's a solution. It's called habit stacking. What is habit stacking? Simple. You attach English practice to something you already do every day. For example, every morning you drink coffee, right? Make a rule. While drinking my coffee, I listen to English for 5 minutes. Every night you brush your teeth. While brushing, I talk to mirror in English for 2 minutes. Every lunch you eat. While eating, I read English for 5 minutes. You're not adding new things to your busy day. You're just combining English with what you already do. Smart, right? This is how habits are born, naturally, easily, forever. My friend, I want to share something personal with you. When I started learning English seriously, I was 22 years old. I had a small notebook and big dreams, but I was alone, so alone. I lived in a small town, no English speakers around me, no money for classes, no fancy apps, just me, my notebook, and my will to learn. Every morning, I would wake up and look at my mirror. I would say, "Today, I will speak English for 15 minutes, no matter what." Some days were good. I would speak with excitement. I would write 3 pages instead of 3 sentences. Some days were bad. I would feel stupid. I would think, why am I doing this? Nobody is listening anyway. But I didn't stop. Day 30, I noticed something. When I watched English videos, I understood more. Day 90, I had a conversation with a tourist. He didn't laugh at my mistakes. Day 180, I started teaching English to my younger cousin. Day 365, I made my first YouTube video. And now I'm here, helping you, teaching you. Listen to me carefully. If I can do it, you can do it. I had no special talent. I had no rich family. I had no fancy school. I had only one thing: daily practice, 15 minutes every single day. You can do this too. I believe in you. Before we finish, let me warn you about 5 common mistakes. Mistake 1, trying to be perfect. Stop it. Perfect English doesn't exist. Even native speakers make mistakes. Speak even if you're wrong. Mistakes are how we learn. Mistake 2, comparing yourself to others. Don't compare your day 30 to someone else's day 365. Your journey is your journey. Focus on yourself. Mistake 3, studying only grammar. Grammar books are good, but they don't make you speak. You need practice, real speaking practice. Mistake 4, waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. There is no perfect mood. There is no perfect day. Today is the day. Right now is the time. Mistake 5, giving up on bad days. Some days will be bad. Some days you'll forget words. Some days you'll feel like a beginner again. That's normal. Don't give up. Tomorrow is a new day. Remember, slow progress is still progress. One step forward is still movement. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. You are doing something amazing. Now, my friend, I have a special challenge for you. I call it the 7-Day English Challenge. For the next 7 days, I want you to do this. Day 1, just do 5 minutes of listening. Just 5 minutes. Day 2, add 5 minutes of speaking alone. Total 10 minutes. Day 3, add 5 minutes of writing. Total 15 minutes, the full method. Days 4 through 7, repeat the full 15 minutes daily. By day 7, you'll feel so different. Your confidence will grow, your fear will shrink, your habit will start forming. And here's the most important thing. Don't break the chain. Even on bad days, even when you're tired, even when you don't feel like it. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Just don't stop. After 7 days, come back and tell me how it went. I want to hear from you. I want to celebrate with you. You can do this. You will do this. I believe in you with all my heart. Before we say goodbye, I want to ask you something. In the comments below, tell me, what is your biggest struggle with English right now? Is it speaking? Is it listening? Is it fear of mistakes? Is it lack of time? Tell me, my friend. I read every comment. I reply to as many as I can. Your story matters to me. And if you're ready to start the 7-day challenge, comment, "I'm in." Show me your commitment. The first 100 comments will get a personal reply from me. Promise. Also, share this video with someone you love who is learning English. Maybe your brother, your sister, your friend, your colleague. Let's help each other grow. If this video gave you hope today, please like it. That helps me reach more learners like you. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Click that bell. Every week, I'm here for you with new lessons. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to be amazing. You don't need a partner to practice English. You don't need a school to succeed. You only need yourself. 15 minutes and a heart full of dreams. Start today, not tomorrow, today. I'm Sarah. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep dreaming, keep growing. You are amazing. Goodbye, my friend.